Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and here in front of us I have the Incredible Blush Hydrangea. Absolutely love these huge dusty pink blooms, and I just love how they contrast with all this dark green foliage in my garden. The Incredible series of hydrangeas are known for their large blooms and their sturdy stalks, so it's a nice upright plant, and even though the flowers are big, this plant can really hold its own. They grow to be about 3 to 4 foot tall and wide and are just absolutely stunning. They bloom on the new growth, so if you feel like you ever need to trim your hydrangea, you can do so in the spring or in the fall, but it's not something that has to be done. It's only something you can do if you feel the need to do it. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings with Incredible Blush Hydrangea.